At ISYteq Group, we work close with our partners and clients to develop the next generation of products. The challenges they have recently faced are that controls are hard to fit, difficult to use, and take long time to install. We have worked hard to eliminate those problems. ISYteq 4.0 for Care Plus comes with an integrated switch cabinet, external cable trunking, and a bus-based signal cable system with quick connectors at each block joint. And for a standard unit, this means that the controls installation can be completed in approximately 4 hours. Also, commissioning has been hard and required a lot of advanced settings on site. This is not the case with ISYteq 4.0 for Care Plus. The unit comes pre-configured and tested from the factory. After a visual inspection and power up, the entire configuration is done using the startup wizard. After the last step, the unit can be started directly, but for optimal performance, you should include commissioning by ISYteq Group in your next project.